In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create and optimize a YouTube channel that you are going to be posting freebie. If this is the kind of video you want to watch, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. I'm going to show you how you can actually create a YouTube channel for freebie and how you can optimize it so you'll be able to be getting views on that channel. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Without further ado, let's dive into the main video of the day, and I will going to show you everything step by step. So here on YouTube, the first thing that we need to do is for us to start creating our channel. So for that, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to click on switch channel. I'm going to view all channel, and it's going to bring me to this part. So once it is here, you can actually create a channel here, or you can also edit a channel. For my sake, I already created this channel for a while, because it's always good to create a YouTube channel and keep for a long time before start posting on it. It's always help the algorithm to figure out that the channel has been for a long time. So for me, I'm going to use the channel that have already been created, but I've not been posting any video on it. I'm not going to create a new channel, but you can create a new channel and still follow the step I'm going to do. We are going to do what we call channel customization. So let's get over and click on here. So in my YouTube channel, the next thing I'm going to do is for me to come here and click on YouTube Studios, because I want to actually customize this channel. So when I'm in my YouTube channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to customize. So here in my customize, they say banner image. I'm going to upload my banner image. So I'll just here come to download. Here I'll click on it. This is how it is, and I'm going to fix it in. Boom, that is done. I'm adding that. Then our profile photo, I'm going to add it up, then upload it. Done. Then this channel name, I've already figured out my name and I wrote it in my thing, so I'm going to call it Beat Central. So I'm copying this, I'll put it in. You can check out this channel when I'm done with it. I'm going to drop a link in the description of the video. So in my username, I need to change it and add Beat Central. Okay, so for the tag, I add Beat Central for you, and then I'll copy this for the channel description. So this is where I'm going to copy from my competitor and see what my competitor is doing. So I'll head over to here, Afrobeats. As you can see, it's popping up a lot for me. So I'm looking for a channel that is very low, like 10k subscribers. This is okay for me. This channel is actually doing well, so I need to check it out and see what this person is. So actually, let me view about his channel. It doesn't put channel description. So for me, I want to make this channel to be genre specific, so I'm going to focus on Afrobeats, R&B type of beats. The title, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and generate a channel description for my channel. So what I'm going to do, I head over to ChatGPT. In my ChatGPT, these are the prompt I enter. I said generate a YouTube channel description that will help my channel rank on this keyword: Afrobeat, free beat, Burna Boy type beat, R&B beat, type beat, free instrumental. So I will now head over and generate this and see what ChatGPT is actually giving to me. So if you're an artist, content creator, or music lover looking for Afro, free beat, Burna Boy type beat, and R&B type beat, or any type beat, you are in the right place. So now I'm going to just copy this and add to my description. So I will copy this and add to my description. So I come over to my YouTube channel and add this to my channel. So come back, add this himself. So for here, I'm going to upload a watermark that is going to be showing at the end of my YouTube video. So I will now put in this watermark. Subscription is still that beach. So contact information, post gmail.com. That's where people can contact me if you want to give me work. Everything is said, and now publish. Bam. So that is the first thing that we need to be doing. And when you are done with that, that's the first thing you need to do when you are customizing your channel. So the second thing is for us to put the video tags and everything. In order for us to do more things on this channel, we need to add some other vital information to our channel. So what I'm going to do is for me to head over to, so I will now set up my resident. For me, you go ahead and put in your country. For me, I'm from Nigeria, so I will go ahead over and select my country, Nigeria. Now, channel keyword, this is one of the other features, good things that you need to be looking forward to. So for me, I'm going to look at the top ranking people in my niche, and then I will now copy their keyword to my keyword. So what I'll do is I'll head over back to my YouTube, and I'm going to look for other people that are doing freebie for this one. With my research and every other thing, I'll find out that these are my major keyword I should be using on this channel. So I head over and do that, and I go to advanced to make some other customization. So say this channel as made for kid. No, say this channel as not made for kid. I want to review this setting. I put it, this channel not made for kid. So when I'm uploading video, it will automatically go. So it says automatically captions. Don't show potential caption. I keep this, don't show. Advertising. No, I should keep that. That should be the third party training. Every other thing. Like feature eligibility. So all this, I've not uploaded any video yet in the channel. So default upload. In this place, I always like to add some certain things when I'm uploading my video, like default. So firstly is that I'm going to look for what others are doing, and then I will now copy their template and add my own. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come here, look at this, what this person is doing, the Afrobeats. I'll now click it and I'll copy it, and then come over to my here and then paste it. When I paste it, I'm going to go through it. There's some mistakes. Afro Instrumental 2024. For me, I'm making it 2025. So I will now clean this and put 2025. Now it's putting the beat name Afro Pop Dance or types beats. Is now putting every other stuff. So I'm going to clean here. I will be manually adding whenever I'm uploading beats. So the website is placing its own website, so I'm going to delete this because I'm going to add my own website when I do it, and then I'm going to remove the beat sites, and then I'm going to add my own when I do it. And then for booking, I'm going to remove this tag. This I'll add my own. So now currently I have optimized my channel for success, so I'll now go ahead and save this. For tags, I will now add in relevant tags that I believe people tag. I can also do this manually when I want to upload new videos, so there's no need for me to do that. Everything here is good. You can come to advanced, license standard, you can put Creative Commons attribute, standard YouTube license. There you can check and look for the kind of category you fall in. For me, I'm falling in music. So language and caption, that is not relevant. Title and description, language English, that is not still relevant. I just put on none. So now permission and others, blah 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 blah. You just check out all this. You can add any other thing that you wanna add, and then you save. This channel is 100% optimized for success. That is that, and that is how you can actually create a beat type channel for yourself. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this video, like and comment on this video, and without wasting much of your time, I'll see you in my next video.